Hello, welcome to Post Colonial Space. I'm Masood Raja, and today I briefly want to talk about educational videos, just like on this channel, and how the videos alone cannot just be the all-inclusive source for your research. Now, occasionally people comment on my videos and they tell me that they are using this information or any other information for their research, for their thesis and dissertation. Now, my hope there is that when they tell me that, what they mean by it is that I'm taking the ideas from this video and concepts that I have discussed and then going and reading in depth, in detail, so that then they can use those ideas and concepts in their writing, in their dissertations. Now, to be fair, videos alone cannot form the basis of your research work. They have a specific function, and their function is to give you the basic understanding of concepts. For serious research work, then, you will have to go and read extensively on the concepts that were introduced to you in the video, and then use that understanding to write your paper or your dissertation. Now, when I taught at college, I always use this example for video resources. It's just like if you're looking up a topic online, what comes up the first? The Wikipedia entry, right? Now, a lot of professors would tell you not to use Wikipedia. Yes, not to use it as an academic source, but it can always be a good beginning point. So let's say you look up a term, epistemology. Wikipedia entry would come up. You read it, you look at the references. Now you have a brief understanding of what epistemology is, and then you look at the references, and obviously any good article will give you book titles and other articles from which they are quoting or drawing from. And then you go and read that material in depth. Now you have a basic understanding of a concept, and then you've gone and read in detail, and that's what will help you a lot in your research, in your writing, but also in your larger development as a scholar, as a thinker, and as a writer. So the same rules apply to these video resources. A few days ago, someone asked me to point them to my video on historiographic metafiction, which is a concept by Linda Hutcheon. I gave them the link to the video. They watched it. Now they are using the concept of historiographic metafiction in their dissertation. Obviously, then, the video alone and the understanding that it imparts cannot just be the basis of their work. They can't just use the insights from the video. They have to go and read Linda Hutcheon's A Poetics of Postmodernism. It's her concept. That's where she discusses it. So for the level of abstraction and sophistication required for a dissertation, a video might conceptually guide you towards a larger source, a more sophisticated source, but it in itself cannot be the source of your citation. So the process then is simple. If you come to my channel, there are about 900 educational videos on it, on theory and on other aspects of literary studies. These videos will introduce you to the concepts. They'll give you some basic ideas and my understanding of them. You take that knowledge, right? And then you go and read published sources on it. Now, most of the times in my videos, if you look at the description, I would have probably cited the book or at least given you the link to what I'm relying on. That's my general practice. So if you watch other educational videos on other channels, please do so. Look at their description, see if they give you a link to the larger work, to the original work from where they are drawing. So that's just what I wanted to share today. I mean, it's sort of not really a secret, but I thought I should put together a video in which I encourage you to watch the videos, take notes, but then go and read in detail. Now, if your interest in the concepts and in the videos is just for your own personal learning and you just want to know something about a concept and how it is explained, then of course I understand if the video alone is your source. But if you're going to write academic articles, books, thesis, dissertations, then you'll have to take that extra one step and read more extensively before you use any of the concepts. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you all so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so now. And that way you get timely notifications of any new materials that I upload. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care of each other. And I will see you next time. Until then, peace and